Arena 4D plugin for SolidWorks clipping. So clipping allows us to select parts of the point cloud or all of the point clouds, hide it, invert it, and perform some other functions. So first we have a point cloud loaded as shown in the previous video. The select option here, the green box, simply draw over the point cloud, double click to finish, and you can see we have selected this part of the point cloud as highlighted. This is created a clip which you can rename here, and now we can do functions like hide the selected part. Turn it back on, perform an inversion, now hide. This is the only part of the point cloud we're interested in, so we've quickly narrowed down an interesting part of the point cloud to work on. Helps declutter. Turn it back. We have the option to clear the selection, so we're back how we started, and we have the option to select all. Clear the selection. To re-enable this test that we did here, we can simply click the tick and it's reapplied that selection. I can use unselect to draw inside of a selection. Now if we hide this, you can see the effect that has had. Put that back on. If we clear the selection, what you can do is select both of these. I use the Shift key there as standard Windows Explorer and merge the clips. So now we have one clip which we could rename to test group. We can now delete these ones here, so you can select one, use the Shift key, Control key to select both, and remove. They have gone. So now we have this test group one here, which if we enable, that was both of the previous clips. Just clear that. You can double click on these as well as the tick. We also have an invert selector mode. So if I select this, so it's highlighted, now do my drawing. Double click, we selected the opposite to what I selected there. We'll clear that. One other feature that influences this is slices, as seen in the previous video. If I enable this slice here, you can see the point cloud of that slice. If I go back to clipping and select a large area bigger than the points shown, and you can see they turn green. If I now go back to the slice, you will see that it only selected the points for the slice. So it's a very quick way of selecting points of interest that are only within the slice. Declutters the clip in there. So if I now just clear this selection, go back to the slice, I'll enable the slice this time but turn the clipping option off. So slice is on, clipping is off. Now if I draw as before a large selection larger than the displayed points, they turn green. If I go to the slice, you'll see I've selected most of the point cloud because the clipping option was turned off.